I believe Conor McGregor is a one-off. Don't get me wrong, he's beat everyone he's lost one fight, obviously, in the UFC, but his mouth has got him to where a lot of people think, oh, blah, 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 he's done this, he's done that. But the money that he's made out of MMA, the next 500 guys that go in the UFC, or 1,000, will never make nowhere near as much money as him. And as I was saying before, MMA is a poor man's sport. So when he first started out, as everyone knows, he was on the dole, he didn't have no money, he probably had to walk to the gym, pay his bus fare. You're looking for sponsors, and you can't get no sponsors and stuff like that. Now that he's made it, people want to jump on the whole bandwagon, so to speak. But if people believe in themselves that much and they feel that they can do what he's done, the only thing I can say to him is it's hard work. It's exactly like you've got a 9 till 5, I've got a 9 till 5. You've got to dedicate yourself exactly like that. This is your work. You've got to come in the morning, you've got to come in the afternoon, you've got to come in the night. You've got to sleep fighting, you've got to eat fighting. Your family need to know that. It's got to be, you've got to be obsessed with it, because that's what he's been doing for the rest of his life. He's got to be obsessed with it. Now that he's made it, yes, he's got the fruits of what he's put into. But a lot of guys, for all the ones that make it, there's probably 500 that don't.